Hello in my new factory. This is forwarder tandem, and this bore is damaged, but in welding workshop it's weld into two is weld, but there is dark, and as you can see bore should be like so, but there was bearing damage and it damages the bore. Here is a cast iron pieces from this bore. It was very worn and damaged, so the company take a reason to weld and bring to me, and then I will set this piece to my horizontal boring machine. But for this job especially I looked for angle table. It's not yet cleaned that up, but for this job it will be good. And then I set this piece on the machine table, and by one of these lead bore heads I will repair the bore to original size. For that to here can fit a new bearings. The piece is very heavy, and one man can't move this piece, so I use my crane or helper to lift up this piece, and by this way I can set the piece on the machine table. And other jobs. Here you can see the hot from welding, another point, and this side too you can see the thermal zone. So thanks for watching, good luck and have a nice day.